Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So as you'll hear in a moment, all week long is Hurricane Preparedness Week, and here's what I'd like you to do today. 1, know your evacuation zone. Know if you're in one and at what level you would have to evacuate, Hurricane 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll post that information on how to find it by typing in your address at my Facebook page, John Scalzi ABC 7. Go there, it'll give you a link. You click on the link, it'll take you right to a page where you type in your address and it'll tell you your evacuation zone. Also, know your home. What strength is your home? How safe or unsafe would it be in a hurricane? And at what level of hurricane would your home become unsafe? Call your insurance company, ask them for a hurricane mitigation inspection specialist, and they will give you a list of names. Choose whichever one you like, and for a reasonable amount of money, they'll come out there, they'll inspect your hurricane bracing, they'll inspect whether or not your air conditioners are tied down appropriately. They'll inspect everything you need to know about how safe your home might be in a hurricane and what you could do to perhaps beef up the strength of your hurricane, your home a little bit for a reasonable amount of money. We're looking at a temperature of 74 degrees by 9 a.m., by 12 noon, 82 degrees by 3 p.m., 88. Plenty of sunshine right straight through that time period, and we'll look for lower relative humidity settling in as well. 82 degrees and a beautiful sunset by 7 p.m. We'll look for very dry air, blue skies in the background, and plenty of sky color, I think, with the setting sun tonight. 67 our dew point, falling already this morning. Calm winds being reported, but they have a general bend out of the north, and we've seen that northwest wind throughout the area overnight. That will continue throughout the day today. 68 degrees our air temperature. Dew points will fall, making it feel more comfortable, even as local temperatures, which are generally around the 70-degree mark, climb up to near the 90-degree mark today. Not quite, but maybe in inland areas we might see, Highlands County might see a 90 or 2. But I think generally speaking, we're looking at mid to upper 80s for today. We may hit 90 this week, though, as this frontal boundary continues to press south. Drier air filters into our region. That means lots of sunshine, and that sunshine will work to kind of modify our atmosphere over several days, warming it up and bringing us that drier air. Nothing here in the way of any kind of potential for any kind of development, tropically speaking. It's going to be a quiet week, tropically speaking, obviously. Dry air in place across the region, aloft indicated on our water vapor imagery here, leading to rain-free conditions and sunny skies. We have kind of a double-barrel low-pressure area, one off the Atlantic coast and a trailing cold front carving its way through Florida right now, as we speak, through our area. High pressure building in back behind it, providing us with that northerly wind. And a second frontal boundary located to the north with a low pressure area that'll produce some rain showers in and around the Atlanta region today. That frontal boundary sinking southward will move through here, and you'll really hardly even notice it this week. It'll just reinforce the dry air in place. We'll look for a daytime high today that tops out mild, but winds will be up, bringing in that drier air northwest at about 10 to 15 this afternoon, so boaters watch for that. Warm today at 88, same thing tomorrow. Warmer still midweek, I think, with a couple of days pretty close to or above the 90-degree mark in many locations on the Sun Coast. And then as we head into the weekend, humidity will start to climb on Friday, and we'll work in a rain chance once again for Saturday and Sunday.